Hi, Akam Jota. Welcome back again today, guys. Today we're going to be learning another language, and we're going to actually be learning 1 through 10 in this language. This language is another language in Ethiopia from another group of people in Ethiopia. So we're going to be learning today how to say 1 through 10 in Oromo. Shout out to all my Oromo people. I know a couple of Oromo people, you know what I'm saying? Today we're going to learn your language, and let's get right into it. So the first number one, right? The first number one, is going to be teko. 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 One more time. Teko. Teko. That is number one, guys. Number two, I really like this one a lot. It reminds me of a fruit, right? But it is, number two is lemon. 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 One more time. Lemon. Lemon. Let's go on to number three. Number three is sedi. 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 That is number three, guys. Please like and subscribe while you're at it. If you're watching this video, I don't see why you wouldn't subscribe. Like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Let's move on to number four. Number four is A4. 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 Four is A4. A4. I like that one because it actually says in English for, A4, right? So if you speak English or other languages, just know that for in English sounds just like this in Oromo, which is A4. I really like that one. Number five is shun. 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 Just like in English, if you shun somebody, shun. Number five is shun. That was an easy one. All right, we're past the halfway point. We're at number six. You guys ready for number six? I bet you are, because we're going to learn how to say number six right now. Number six is jaha. 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 Just like in Jamaican culture where they say ja, right? Ja. You can say ja. Ja. That is number six. Let's move on to number seven. Number seven is torba. 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 One more time. Torba. Torba. I like that one. I like that one a lot. I'm gonna be saying that one a lot. Torba, number seven. Let's move on to number eight. Number eight is sedate. 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 Once again, number eight is sedate. Sedate. Also, I like that one too. That's number eight. So you could say something like, I have sedate cars. I have sedate fruit. I have sedate glasses. And actually I don't, but I would like to have 8 glasses. What do you guys think about these? Now we only have 2 more left. And number 9 is sagel. 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 That's number 9, guys. We're almost to the finish line. You ready for number 10? This is the last one. I hope you've been paying attention. I want you to repeat these to me afterwards in the comments and let me know if you guys got these, right? And you need to use them as well. Like, the only way you can learn them for long term is to use them, constantly say them, use them. So if you have a Oromo friend, you should try to talk to them and say 1 through 10. But let's get to the last one. This is number 10. And number 10 and the last one is kurem. Kurem. Cool. And yo guys, that was number 10. I hope you guys learned something today, 1 through 10. If you want me to do more Oromo language videos, let me know. I'll try to do the best that I can. you guys know that some of these languages, not all of them, but some of these languages are new to me. And I would actually like to learn more Ethiopian languages that a lot of people don't know from different like peoples in Ethiopia. Um, Maybe like people know Afar language or Afar people, but like maybe like Omo. Please like and subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you get all my videos. Add me on all social medias, which is Afric Network. And I really enjoyed speaking Oromo 1 through 10. I would definitely try to learn more and even try to like learn different sentences, different words, right? And if you guys have any suggestions for me to do so or know anybody, let me know. And yo guys, until next time, peace. One love.